There are many occasions, after initially placing our striker ball for a croquet stroke, we look up, and to our horror, we see the path blocked. Sometimes by the peg. Sometimes by a hoop. And sometimes by a ball. So, a decision must be made. Which side to go? We know that on split shots the two balls draw inwards, toward each other. So that normally is our guide. In this case, playing to the right would increase the risk of trouble. To the left would be a much safer option, even though the outcome might not be our preference. With this decision, any amount of pull on the pink ball to the left will always be safe.